Hi guys, I'm Suzanne with Backyard University, here to answer the question of how to get rid of ticks fast. As summer winds down, ticks wind up, so you may want to be cautious from mid-August all the way through November, and not only on hikes in the mountains, but in your own backyard. If you are afraid of ticks finding a way into your backyard, we have some ways to prevent and kill them. Ticks are drawn to shady, damp areas and prefer temperatures between 70 degrees and 90 degrees. They don't like heat, and a combination of high heat and low humidity can actually kill them. By placing gravel or stone pavers around your yard and gardens will help keep ticks away. Tall grass provides shade and moisture ticks love, so keeping your grass cut short will take away their hiding spots. Not only will ticks hide in grass, but also low-lying bushes and shrubs. Keeping them pruned is essential for making sure brushing against an extended branch or leaf won't leave you with a tick. Ground covers and fallen leaves are another place ticks love to call home. They provide the perfect hiding place. You may wish to incorporate some plants around the area so that will repel ticks to keep them at bay. Like many other pests and insects, ticks hate strong smells. So plant tick-repelling plants such as marigolds, lavender, lemongrass, basil, and even rosemary. Ticks also don't like the smell of garlic or cinnamon, so leaving a few cloves of garlic around or sprinkling cinnamon will help repel them. Another smell ticks dislike is cedar wood, so incorporating cedar into your garden by using cedar wood chips as a mulch or mixing Cedarcide insect repelling cedar granules with your garden will smell fantastic, but the ticks won't like it. Most believe ticks are brought in by their pets, but just because you don't have a dog or a cat does not mean you won't have ticks. Wildlife like birds, squirrels, and deer will drop ticks as well. Therefore, you may wish to get rid of wildlife attractants like bird feeders and bass, water bowls, and pet food bowls. If you already have ticks in your yard, it is important that you get rid of them as soon as possible because they do transmit Lyme disease, which can cause memory and nerve problems, heart problems, and arthritis. The best course of action to be rid of ticks is to use a commercial spray such as this one from Wondercide. Just attach it to a garden hose and spray. It's safe for children and pets. If you have any other backyard questions, click the link below to some of our other videos. We've supplied links to mentioned products, and don't forget to like and subscribe.